Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 8, Percentage, Exercise 8A, Question number 1, Basic Level. Question number 1. Express each of the following percentages as a fraction. Part 1. First remove the percentage sign. When we remove a percentage sign we must place 100 in the denominator of the given number, as shown. Then simplify the fraction. So, the required fraction is 7 divided by 25. Part 2. First remove the percentage sign. When we remove a percentage sign we must place 100 in the denominator of the given number, as shown. Then simplify the fraction. After simplification we have 79 divided by 50, that is an improper fraction, because its numerator is larger than its denominator, so we have to convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction. To convert the improper fraction to mixed fraction, divide 79 by 50, then write quotient as a whole number and remainder as new numerator, while denominator remains same, so here the required fraction is 1 whole number 29 upon 50. Part 3. First remove the percentage sign. When we remove a percentage sign we must place 100 in the denominator of the given number, then remove the decimal by multiplying and dividing by 10 as shown. Now simplify the fraction. After simplification we have our required fraction, that is 31 upon 250. Part 4. Since it is a mixed fraction, so first convert it to normal fraction. To convert a mixed fraction to normal fraction we have to generate new numerator by multiplying the divisor by whole number, then adding the old numerator to the result, while denominator remains same, as shown in the steps. After converting the mixed fraction to normal fraction we have to remove the percentage sign. When we remove a percentage sign, we must place 100 in the denominator of the given number, but here we already have a denominator that is 5, so in this case we multiply the denominator by 100 as shown. After that we will simplify the fraction, but in this case no further simplification is possible, therefore, our required fraction is 33 upon 500. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.